Hello, 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 beautiful people, and welcome to my channel. Very, very warm welcome. The sun is out. I'm off work. Just life. So today's video is a tutorial review on Bantu knots. And this is my holiday hair, so I wanted something for me to not be able to fuss about while I was away for a couple of days. It was the Mister's birthday and I took him away to this beautiful, lovely location. It's this lovely gem in the middle of Essex called Life House Spa and Hotel, and we've just spent a nice, relaxing couple of days here. It's just been absolutely amazing. But I thought, right, okay, it's only a couple of days that we're going to be away, but I have taken the whole of the week off. So I could rock the Bantu knots the whole week and then unravel them and then do the twist out for the rest of the week for work when I get back next week. So that was the general idea. The general idea until the challenge of the Bantu knot. And it's something that I haven't actually tried before and I wanted to give it a go. I wanted to do the challenge. This is the challenge, right, guys? When you see people with Bantu knots on Instagram and it looks like super duper fly, it's chic, it's cool, it's all of that. However, nobody tells you if it's your first time doing Bantu knots that it's going to be challenging, that it's going to be difficult. Nobody's gonna tell you that. I'm gonna tell you that it ain't gonna be easy. It's not going to be easy at all, because the idea or the illusion that I had in my mind about what I was seeing on Instagram and how people were rocking it out, obviously not putting two cents about, some of them have extensions in, so then they're going to be bigger. Some of them have longer hair, so obviously it's going to be a lot easier to do a Bantu knot. Me with my shrinkage after wash hair self came here to be able to think that I was just going to rock out my Bantu knots, be done in about an hour, 2 hours. Mister comes home, he still finds me doing my hair, and this is like past 10 o'clock in the evening and I started at 7. Mind you, there were conversations involved in the way on the phone and stuff like that, so I wasn't constantly doing my hair that whole time, but it took me a long time, but it turned out great though. So all I would say is, depending on how your hair type is, have a look at the type of Bantu knots that you want, the size and all of that stuff. I had to realize I had to do smaller ones and they worked out better. The bigger ones for me just weren't gonna do anything but look like a bun and look like I was doing something else with my life. And here it is, guys, my how-to on Bantu knots.
You said you wanna play, but you touched a part of my heart that is just too sensitive. You're the only one I want, now there's no turning back. Maybe girl, just believe my rules again. Only touch and go. Make your move when you go more. Nangeneka king, you could pick up. Nangeneka brother, could you pass any to some more? Now I know Nika Konanima Konele. So Papa Menela Fika Kulio Pelela. Nani Amba Weka. Siniza Kule. Nani Amba Weka. So line Mina Leko. If you feel why Nani Amba Weka. So line Mina Leko.
Taurus music.
If you feel why if it can see tsunami, yo. See your body causing enough commotion. Stand that easy, my girl, but you get attention. Wani bela na muti mama. Nikutenga bondi no kutakulisa nsima. Yabaneo nikakonda ni makondelela. So papa mene nafika kuliyo pwelela. Girl, you're the only one me feeling in it, touch and go. Wani amba weka, so line me na let go. If you feel why wani amba weka, so line me na let go. Ni makondelela. Say me not gonna leave you. Touch and go. I ain't going nowhere. Touch and go. Tipaga puma peto. Touch and go. Hala hala, hulina lavu ya mangwala. Ever since I met you, I'm spending every dollar. Oops, I meant kwacha, party sinewala. I ain't going nowhere, I will take it dollar. You made your move, I'm responding, baby. You a queen right now, I'm the spawn. But baby, listen, when I make it to the end, I'ma be your king. I'm Kasparov with this love, winning in a thing. Yabaneo nikakonda ni makondelela. Hello pamene nafika kulipopelela. You can run and hide, all you do is delay fate. Guarantee my next move is a checkmate. If you feel why say me not gonna leave you. Touch and go. I ain't going nowhere. Touch and go. Tipaga puma peto. Touch and go. Mr. King, you know who I am. You said you wanna play, but you touched a part of my heart that is just too sensitive. You're the only one I want, now there's no turning back. Maybe girl, just believe my rules again. When you touch and go, make your move when you go more. Nangeneka king, you wake up pick up. Nangeneka Broadway, kulibaza ni tosamo. Na waleo nikakonda ni makondelela. So papa mene nafika kuliyo pwelela. Unani amba weka, sini za kule. Wani amba weka, so line me na let go. If you feel why wani amba weka, so line me na let go. Ni makondelela. Say me not gonna leave you. Touch and go. If you feel why touch and go. Tipaga puma peto. Touch and go.
Yes, I'm excited because I got it done. At the weekend I will untwist it and I'll show you guys that look as well. It'll be just a quick further review on Bantu knots, and that's about it. But if you guys find yourself stuck as well and needed a little bit of help, comment below and I'll be able to help. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.